Summertime, nice and hot. Everybody wants to party. Everybody wants some garden fresh salsa. So that's what we're gonna make today. But not from this garden.
What's wrong with it?
John's garden is absolute trash this year. So we'll just get our stuff from the store. Well, disappointing we can't use John's garden this year. I mean, last year it was beautiful. I don't know what happened this year. Someone got lazy. But we're gonna use what we got here. Ripley tomatoes from Ripley, Tennessee, right here from the farmer's market. These are every year, everyone freaks. They're freak worthy. We're gonna dice up some onion. Are they too big?
No.
I don't know.
It's your salsa.
Sweet. Okay,
You like chunky salsa?
that's fine.
Okay.
We're gonna throw these Johns in here.
Yep.
Splat out.
Okay.
Splat out garlic.
Garlic. Hey, you actually did that right this time. Usually you do that and it sticks to the thing.
Why you gotta bring up old stuff?
Have you ever cut yourself?
Yeah. Jalapeno.
Okay, so all this is going in the bowl. Hey, did we even check them? We got some heat?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is.
Super glad you left those seeds in.
Okay, I was gonna put 2 in, but this is really hot. So we're just gonna
You never know. You never know with freaking jalapenos.
No. Let's put a little bit of kosher salt on this,
Ooh.
and we're just gonna leave it for a little bit and let it kind of draw the moisture out, get all happy.
You need a hand there?
Finger salsa.
We got spoons.
I didn't want to do this with the knife.
We have spoons.
But last time I did this with a knife, which is a very simple, reasonable thing to do, instead of getting a spoon dirty, you fussed at me.
We have spoons. That's good.
You rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling. Don't bruise my tomatoes.
Look at that right there. Ooh.
Yep.
Just do a little bit of that right there.
There you go. They're good,
You can
right?
tell these weren't grown in John's garden.
Because they taste good.
Crunchy.
He's right. Man, the tomatoes are good. They look so good too.
I like to do this little fancy cut with a lime.
Did you learn that at working at Buntons?
You know, they want the lime
For 2
anywhere in that
hours.
restaurant.
For 2 hours.
Can we go ahead and squeeze it in?
Yeah, go ahead.
Look,
Ooh.
it makes like a little lime everywhere. Okay, I'll stir this with a spoon, not my finger.
I lost the little hole cover, so I'll just use my hand.
That's fine.
I mean, it's already finger salsa, so you might as well use your hand too.
2 of these Adobo Peppers. These jumps right here are hot, so you gotta be careful. I'm not putting my finger in that.
No, don't do that. Dang, look at that. Dude, that looks so good.
A little cilantro.
Yep. Cilantro.
Yeah, you know what? If you don't like cilantro on your salsa, just unsubscribe from our channel right now. Yeah.
Cilantro rain.
Now that's how we get viral and huge. So this is pretty much finished. We tasted it. It just needs a little bit more salt.
Okay.
Just a whittle. A little bit more lime juice.
Yep.
Just a whittle. A little bit of black pepper. What is this? What is this? There we go. I did
It's
it.
a pepper mill. It's the only pepper mill I've had. Probably since I've been married. You don't know how to use that, John?
No.
Stupid! Yeah. Good deal.
Hey, come on over and get some.
Well, let me set up for that shot. Ooh, I can't wait to taste this salsa.
Let me get some chunk in there. Them Ripley's are ripping. So first step, don't use vegetables from John's garden because it ain't gonna work. Tomatoes, good tomatoes. We use Ripley's because they're in season right now. Onion, jalapeno, lime juice, cilantro, salt, pepper, adobo peppers. All right. Good salsa. Good salsa. All right. We gotta stop doing that.
Why is it stupid?